The town owes its peace to the vision of one man, Ahmed Shah Massoud. The most charismatic and successful of Mujahideen commanders, he now controls most of the northeast of his war-torn country.
مگر با وجود از این موانعی که در حالت جنگی قرار داریم، گفته میتونیم که طالقان از نقطه نظر امنیت در منطقه، دیگر نظم و نسق در خود شهر طالقان و خدمات اجتماعی که باید صورت بگیره در وضعیت بهترتر و خوبتری قرار دارد.
Massoud has established a civil administration throughout the whole region based on consensus and consultation. It's a model for the Islamic government he envisions for the rest of Afghanistan. Islam was the motivating force behind Massoud's armed struggle against the Soviet occupation. The Jihad, or Holy War, fought with deeply held beliefs common to all ethnic groups in Afghanistan.
Islam has a central role in our revolution. It's vital. It's the foundation. We want Afghanistan to be free of Russian domination, and we want the faith of Islam to be fully established here. These two aims are complementary.
Son of an army colonel, Massoud left his engineering studies in Kabul to join the resistance. He proved to be the toughest of the Mujahideen commanders. With well-developed military strategy and disciplined fighters, he's said to have inflicted 1/3 of all Soviet casualties during the occupation. For years, he ambushed the Panjshir Valley, Kabul's lifeline from the USSR. But his plans were often frustrated by bloody power struggles between the different Mujahideen parties.
No doubt having 6 parties will delay the Afghan revolution, but it cannot prevent its ultimate success and victory. Even if there are 6 parties, eventually, God willing, the Afghan revolution will succeed, although it may be delayed for a while.
In 1988, after a 9-year occupation, the Russians withdrew from Afghanistan. Kabul was expected to fall within days, but this didn't happen.
بعد از خروج قوای روسی اکثر قماندانان قسم فکر میکردن که نگه شاید بعد از خروج قوای روسا رژیم به زودی سقوط بکنه و این فکر سبب شده بود که هر یک قسم پیشش فکری به وجود بیایه که میتونه به تنهایی با رژیم مقابله بکنه و قوای مستقر رژیم در مناطق خود نگه به سقوط مواجه بسازه و منطقه را آزاد بسازه. در پهلوی از عوامل نفس خود عملکردهای غیر مسئولانه حفظ حزب اسلامی.
Massoud's popularity is due as much to his efforts to repair the devastation brought about by the 12 years of bitter war.
My name is Amrullah. I am working for Consultant Bureau for Reconstruction, which is an Afghan organization involved in the reconstruction inside Afghanistan. The areas which are liberated by Massoud are well organized. The authority is not given only to military people. He is the one who encourages qualified people to be gathered and to work for the reconstruction affairs.
Everyone is aware that Taloqan's peace is fragile. The scars of past battles are everywhere, some made into shrines in memory of the 1 million Afghans, men, women and children, who have died in the jihad. Many villages are still in ruins, their owners among the 5 million Afghans living as refugees in Pakistan and Iran, the largest refugee population in the world.
جنگ جریان داره. مناطق از وجود به میلیون ها مینی که در افغانستان فرش شده پاکسازی نشده و آمدن مهاجرین در این قسم یک شرایط به داخل جز اینکه باز به این فامیلا مصیبت تازه خلق کنه سودی نخواهد داشت. مشکل دیگه مشکل اقتصادی است که هنوزم شبکه‌های آبرسانی در اکثر مناطق افغانستان تعمیر نشده زمینای زراعتی قابل استفاده نیست. دیگه مشکل اقتصادی در افغانستان خیلی زیاد است. اگر به یک بارگی این چند میلیون مهاجر در داخل افغانستان بیاید، به یقین که دیگه مشکلشان خیلی زیاد خواهد بود.
And the rivalries between the Mujahideen factions continue. Only recently, an attempt made on Masood's life was traced to the Hezb Islami party.
بعد از جنگ هایی که در صفحات شمال صورت گرفت، وضع نسبت به 2-3 ماه گذشته کاملا تغییر کرده و فعلا دشمن در حالت مدافع قرار گرفته و مجاهدین است که ابتکار عمل در دست داره.
چه قرار؟ زود حرکت شد.
Today I want to go to Khanabad because based on the proposal request of the people that we have received, their bridge is damaged and we want to carry out the preliminary survey of the bridge, and after that we will design it technically in our office and we will submit the project proposal for that.
The Mujahideen won Khanabad some months ago. In the fierce fighting, the regime repeatedly bombed civilian targets.
My friend Adib is graduated from Polytechnic Institute of Kabul. He is an architect. He was dispatched from Peshawar to Taloqan in order to carry out the survey of some damaged public buildings, bridges, hospitals and these things. The bridge is not destroyed completely, just the standing piers are okay, and we just want to measure the length, the width and the retaining walls of the beach of the river. And Adib is a technical person and I want to have a witness of the bridge because it helps me how to write a good project proposal about it.
حالا کردیم اگه پول جور کنه مردم چند کاری میکنه
والا بگم
کار اشار میکنه
چرا نمیکنه
مردم پیسه میکنه آره اون پول باندار سر پولی که سر مردم جور شده
اولش بادا زمین پول کم از کم مردم چقدر کمک کرده آخر هم داده که جور کردن داده اکثر سر کاری
اون پول مردم سر اون پول باندار سر پیسه مردم We are going to draw the sketch of a destroyed hospital. Major parts of the hospital is destroyed and it's not.
از اینکه دولت وحشیانه مناطق مسکونی و مناطق غیر نظامی را زیر بمبارد گرفته و زندگی آرام مردم برهم زده، واقعا من متاسف هستم و این عمل دولت سخت تقبیح میکنم. نگه رژیم به نظر من فقط رژیم خواسته که به این ترتیب انتقام شکستهای خود بگیره و خشم و غیظ خود به این ترتیب فرو بنشانه. یک و موضوع دوم خواسته که به این ترتیب از تحرکات بیشتر نظامی ما که به طرف دیگه اهداف حرکت بکنیم جلوگیری به عمل بیاره. بمبارد میدن امیر بخیر ما واقعا طرفدار جنگ و خونریزی در کشور خود نبودیم و نیستیم و اگر راه حل معقول صلح‌آمیز پیدا شود که جنگ هرچه عاجل در افغانستان خاتمه پیدا بکنه و ملت ما با آزادی خود و به تعیین حق سرنوشت خود برسه از او استقبال خواد کرده.